Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a thermostat. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. You'll need a few basic tools, including a socket set, pliers, and a drain pan. Before you start, place the drain pan under the radiator and partially drain the coolant. This step helps prevent a messy spill when you remove the thermostat housing. Safety first, always. Now let's locate the thermostat housing. It's typically found where the upper radiator hose connects to the engine. Use your pliers to loosen the clamp on that hose, then gently pull the hose free. Next, you'll need to unbolt the housing itself. Once the bolts are removed, carefully lift the housing and extract the old thermostat. Be prepared for a small amount of coolant to escape. With the old thermostat out, it's crucial to clean the mating surfaces on both the engine and the housing. This ensures a proper, leak-free seal for your new thermostat. Now, insert the new thermostat, making sure the spring side faces into the engine block. Carefully reattach the housing, tightening the bolts evenly. Don't over-tighten, but ensure they are snug to prevent leaks. Finally, it's time to refill your cooling system with the correct coolant mixture. Slowly add coolant, allowing any air to escape. You might need to run the engine with the heater on to help bleed all the air out. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge and check for any leaks around the thermostat housing. Also, remember to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. This ensures your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.